We have given decimal number. Why? Because we have decimal point. Decimal point always goes between units and tenths. We can say ones and tenths. And how we run these numbers? We use the same rule like for rounding whole numbers. So first let me rewrite our number. We have 0.55298. First we need to find the digits to which we have to round our number. First we have to round to the nearest unit. Unit is always first digits to the left from decimal point. So first we underline our unit. We have 0 unit. And next we have to check the digit which is after our underlined digit. So first digit after underlined digit is 5. When we have 5 or more, we have to increase our underlined digit by 1. So it will be plus 1 to our underlined digit. And what else? Every digit after underlined digit will be now 0. So 8 will be 0, 9, 0, 2, 0, 5, 0. Next 5, 0. Decimal point we copy and we have 0 plus 1 is 1. So we can forget about zeros because they don't change the value of our number. You can write that this is 1. Decimal point you can copy. This was rounding to the nearest unit. Next, let me copy our example 0.55298. Next, we have to round to the nearest tenth. Tenth is the first digit after decimal point. So first step, we have to underline the digits to which we have to round our number. So we round to tenth, so we underline first 5. Next, we need to check the digit which is after our underlined number is 5. When we have 5 or more, we need to increase our underlined number by 1. So it will be plus 1. So now, before we add, we have to remember that every digit after underlined digits now will be 0. So 8 will be 0, 9, 0, 2, 0, 5, 0. And now we have to just add. 5 plus 1 is 6. Next we have to copy decimal point and 0. So when we round our number to the nearest tenth, we have 0.6. This was rounding to the nearest tenth. We don't need the zeros because they don't change the value of our number. So we don't need the zeros after 6. Next, let me copy our example. We have 0.55298. We need to round to the hundredth. So first, where is hundredth? We have to find the second digit. First is tenth, next is hundredth. So we underline the value to which we have to round our number. As is second 5. First is tenth, hundredth, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, and so on. So we round to the hundredth, so we underline hundredth. Next we have to check the digit which is after 5, is 2. When we have less than 5, we don't have to do anything. We just have to turn every digit after underline number to 0. So 8 will be now 0, 9 will be 0, 2 will be 0, and the rest we have to copy 5, 5, and decimal point 0. So our number will be 0.55. We don't need the zeros because they don't change the value of our number. So this is my solution.